Find the value of within bracket 3 plus 3 omega square plus 5 omega whole to the power 6 minus 2 plus 6 omega square plus 2 omega whole cube, where omega is the cube root of unity. Now first write the given expression. What is 3 plus 3 omega square plus 5 omega whole to the power 6 minus within bracket 2 plus 6 omega square plus 2 omega whole cube. Here memorize some formulas. Writing here a line. See, as omega is the cube root of unity, so writing here as omega is the cube root of unity, so it is known that omega cube is equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So to find the values of this expression, we will use these two formulas. So see 3 plus 3 omega square. So if we take out common 3, we are having 1 plus omega square. From here we can find 1 plus omega square, that is equal to minus omega. So 3 common writing, 1 plus omega square plus 5 omega whole to the power 6 minus similarly 2 and 2 omega. From these two terms take out common 2. What we will have? 1 plus omega. Similarly we will find from the here 1 plus omega, that is equal to minus omega square. And so I rearrange this portion. From this term and this term take out common 2. 1 plus omega plus 6 omega square and that of whole cube. That is equal to, now put the value of 1 plus omega square, that is equal to minus omega. 3 into minus omega plus 5 omega whole to the power 6 minus 2, 1 plus omega minus omega square, 6 omega square whole cube. Next, what is minus 3 omega plus 5 omega, that is equal to 2 omega, that of whole to the power 6 minus 2 omega square plus 6 omega square, that is equal to 4 omega square, that of whole cube. Now see 2 to the power 6 omega to the power 6 minus 4 to the power cube omega to the power square to the power cube. Now see, we can write this 2 to the power 6 omega to the power cube, that of square, minus 4 cube. We can write this omega to the power square whole cube, that is equal to omega to the power cube whole square. How it is written? Formula is a to the power m whole to the power n. This can be written as a to the power n whole to the power n. So omega to the power cube square interchange. Again omega cube is equal to 1. So 2 to the power 6 is equal to 2 to the power cube into 2 to the power cube into 1 square. Omega cube is equal to 1. Omega cube to 1 minus 4 cube is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 into 1 to the power square. Now see, 2 to the power cube is equal to 8. 2 to the power cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into 8, 1 not writing, minus 4 into 4, 16 into 4, 64. Next step, what is 64 minus 64? 8 into 8, 64. This is cancelled, that is equal to 0. So, therefore, the value of three plus 3 omega square plus 5 omega whole 6 minus within bracket 2 6 omega square plus 2 omega whole cube is 0. Hence we have got the values of the given expression. This is the end. If you have not subscribed this channel, subscribe this channel for getting the notification of other videos whenever that will be uploaded. Thank you.